Alright, let's see what we got going on here in this problem. We got the height of a box is 3 feet and the length is 14 feet. The width is 3 times the length. Find the volume of the box. Alright, so there's going to be a formula that we're going to use. Alright, I got to remember these numbers here. We got 3 feet and 4 feet, 14 feet. Okay, so I've kind of sketched out a box here. Not exactly the best sketch ever. And we're looking to find the volume. So we've got volume is equal to length times width times height. Now they give us a couple of these numbers and then they give us a relationship. Okay, they say that the, let's just write down what they give us. The height of the box is 3 feet and that the length is 14 feet and the width is, that would be equals, the width is 3 times the length. So these are the things they give us, and of course this is the formula here that we're going to use. Alright, so the height is 3 feet, so this, we'll say this is 3 feet from here to here. Okay, good enough. The length is 14 and the width is 3 times the length. Well, it looks like another one of my drawings here is not quite to scale. But we're going to let this down. We're going to let this side here be the length. Okay? And we're going to let this side here be the width. And so the width is what we don't know. But we've got a relationship between the width and the length. And that is that the width is 3 times the length. So what we can do here is to say width is equal to 3 times 14 and then get that number. Okay, so that's going to be 42. Now, all we're going to do here now is we've got the height, the length, and now we have the width, and we can just simply plug it right on into our formula. And I think I'm going to squeeze that in right here, and I'm going to use a different color. So the volume is equal to the length, which is 14, times the width, which we said was 42, times, and the height, which is 3. Right, so you can plug that into your calculator and get that number. So I get 1,764, and because everything was in feet here, this is going to end up being cubic feet. Alright, so that's cubic feet there. Okay. And of course I had to go to the problem here, make sure I did it right. 1,764 cubic feet. Now I write out cubic feet here, but if you put a little 3 above the FT, that's the same thing. Alright, let's look at another one here. We've got 25 more than 46 times a number is 1125. What is the number? So the number, we're going to let that be x is the unknown, and then we're just going to write out an equation, just pretty much how it says here. 25 more than 46 times a number. So 46 times a number. So let's, goodness, let's go back to this. 46 times our number is unknown, and that was 25 more than, so we're just adding 25 to it, is equal to 1129. So in this problem here, you're just going to simply solve for x, and you should know how to do that up to this point. So 1129, bring the 25 over, right, and then divide by 46. So I'm starting to skip steps now, hoping you can get that. So plug that in, and that should be your answer right there.